Welcome to the Arsenic Cooking channel. Today I'll show you how to make salad with carrots. For that you'll need 3 medium-sized carrots, and we will peel them, wash them, and now shred it. This might take a while, so make sure you have plenty of preparation and cooking time before your meal starts. While I'm shredding the other carrots, what I'm going to do is soften the raisins by pouring boiling water in a cup. And this will make them nice and soften them up for our salad. And just leave it on the side until you're ready to add them. Now let's chop some walnuts, about 1/4 of a cup. Feel free to add more to your taste. And for that I'll use my chopping knife. Be careful. Don't have your fingers caught in it, otherwise it will be one unpleasant holiday for you. Let me get the chopping board out of the way. Press 1 clove of garlic. Let's ram it in there. Let's empty the water from our raisins as they are ready and soft. 1/2 cup of softened up raisins goes in. Add some mayo. And salt and pepper to your taste. Now let's mix it all together. Let's add more mayo. Our salad is done. It smells fantastic and will be great addition to your holiday meals. Now let's serve it on a platter. So enjoy, put it on your dinner table, stay healthy, and have a happy holidays.